In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Wise IBAN. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Make sure you're using the correct account and that you've fully logged in before moving on. Once you're inside, you'll usually land on the home page, which is where you can see your balances and account options. From the home page, select a currency balance that supports IBAN payments, such as EUR. This is important because not every currency balance works the same way, and IBANs are typically associated with specific currencies and regions. If you're expecting to receive a payment in euros, choosing your EUR balance is usually the right place to begin. Next, open the selected currency balance. This will take you into that Balances Details page, where you can view more information about how to send, receive, and manage money in that currency. Once you're there, look below the balance amount for the green Account Details button. It should be clearly visible on the page. When you find it, click Account Details to continue. After that, wait for the Account Details page to open. On this screen, Wise will display the bank information linked to that currency balance. This is the section you need if you want to receive money or share your banking details with someone sending you funds. Take a moment to review the receiving account information shown on the screen. You'll want to make sure you're looking at the correct details for the correct currency. Then, locate the IBAN field. The IBAN is the key piece of information used for many international and European bank transfers. So this is the number most people are looking for. When you find the IBAN, click the copy icon next to it. Using the copy button helps avoid typing mistakes, which is especially useful because IBANs can be long and easy to enter incorrectly. After copying it, you can paste it wherever you need, such as into a payment form or a message to the sender. Before you finish, review any additional details provided on the same page, such as the BIC or SWIFT code. Some senders or banks may ask for this information along with your IBAN, so it's a good idea to keep it handy. Once you have everything, you can use the IBAN when receiving international payments or when providing your bank details. Thanks for watching.